Hi, I'm Bo Frick with ReImagine Builders, and today I'm here to talk to you about our basement development process. Since launching in 2011, we have continually refined our basement development process to make it as efficient as possible. We have simplified the process by breaking up all aspects of the project. The execution of this process sets us apart from our competitors and ensures that our customers receive the best possible basement development experience. Our average basement development takes 10 weeks to complete, and we guarantee it will be move-in ready in 12 weeks, or we will credit back $500 per week off of your final bill. From our experience, the most important part of executing a smooth project is to get as much of the detail laid out as possible before commencing with the work. In order to hit the ground running once we start, we push to finalize all floor plan revisions and material selections before starting with the construction. The length of time the pre-construction process takes fully depends on the client. Some will move through it within a week, while others can take several months making changes and considering different options. The pre-construction phase has 5 separate stages: the initial contact, on-site estimate, detailed development stage, finalization meeting, and finally, the commencement stage. First is the initial contact, where you can reach out to us through the quote form on our website, or by phone, or through social media. From there, we will set up the on-site estimate with our designer. There they will walk you through all of the options and generally educate you on what building a basement entails. The designer will then email you a high-level estimate and floor plan. If you are happy with everything there, we will proceed to the detailed development stage. During the detailed development stage, you will have a chance to make revisions to your floor plan and make material selections from our material guide or by visiting our suppliers. Once you have made the selections and floor plan revisions, we will set up our finalization meeting, where one of our office staff will come by for an extensive meeting to go over everything and make sure we are 100% ready to start the construction. At this meeting, they will go through your full scope of work and make sure nothing has been missed, and you will sign off on all material selections and your final floor plan. At that point, we will lock in your final pricing and we will book your start date. We then move on to the commencement stage of the pre-construction work, where you will sign our standard contract and we will obtain permits and start ordering materials. We will build a detailed schedule for your project, and you'll know exactly what to expect week to week in the construction right through to your final cleaning date. We will also place floor runners, a lockbox, and a sign on your project, and you will meet your dedicated project manager. From there, we move into the construction phase of the project. We have divided the construction into 5 stages: framing stage, drywall stage, finishing stage, touch-up stage, and the completion stage. The framing stage typically takes a little over 1 week. During that time, we will conduct all framing, electrical wiring, plumbing, and HVAC work. After this is done, we will have our first round of city inspections, followed by our first of 4 detailed inspections with your project manager. Next is the drywall stage, which will last about 3 weeks. During this stage, all insulation, boarding, taping, texture, priming, and the first major site clean will take place. The finishing stage also typically takes around 3 weeks. During that time, we will perform the final electrical work, cabinet installation, millwork and carpentry, and also the painting. This stage will conclude with your second ReImagine inspection. From there, we will get into the touch-up stage of the project. During this stage, we will address all tile work, final plumbing, flooring, doors, hardware, and final baseboards, and vents and registers. At the conclusion of this stage, we will take care of final city inspections, as well as have a third inspection with your project manager. At this point, the work has been generally completed, and we are just looking to correct deficiencies and minor outstanding work. From there, we move on to the final completion stage, which can be as little as a few days or as long as a few weeks, depending on the work required. During this time, we will address all outstanding deficiencies, conduct a final professional clean, and have final inspection with your project manager to conclude the project. From there, you can rest easy knowing that if anything comes up, we will cover it and come back under your comprehensive 5-year warranty. If you have any questions about the process, please reach out and we would be happy to discuss them with you. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know if you have any questions or feedback for our channel, and please do take a moment to like and subscribe. Also, if you need a quote done on your basement project, please visit our website, reimaginebuilders.com, and click Get a Quote so we can get started today.